Tired of dealing with scupper leaks caused by worn-out rubber flappers that curl and deform over time? Imagine a repair kit that not only fits most scuppers regardless of the manufacturer but also resists UV damage and stays flexible season after season. Our Thermoplastic Elastomer Flapper Scupper Repair Kit promises exactly that: a durable, universal fix that keeps your boat dry and worry-free. Traditional rubber flappers have a major flaw: they curl and lose shape under the sun's harsh rays and exposure to the elements. That's why many boat owners face recurring leaks and costly replacements. But this kit changes the game. Instead of rubber, the flappers are molded from a thermoplastic elastomer, a material engineered to resist UV rays and maintain its shape without curling. This means your scuppers stay sealed tight, preventing water intrusion and protecting your boat's integrity longer than ever before. What you get is straightforward and complete: 2 1-5/8 flappers, 2 1-7/8 flappers, plus all the necessary keepers and fasteners for a smooth installation. Whether you're fixing 1 or 2 scuppers, this kit covers you. It's a universal fit designed to repair most scuppers with flappers, no matter the brand. Users have found it to be an exact replacement for models like the 2015 Carolina Cat 23 SD, with some even customizing the larger flappers to keep spares on hand. Easy to install and built to last, this kit saves you time and hassle. If you're ready to stop chasing leaks and constant repairs, this Thermoplastic Elastomer Flapper Scupper Repair Kit is worth a look. It's the practical, long-term solution that boat owners need to keep their decks dry and their vessels protected. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your scupper repairs with a product designed for durability and ease.